First step, we're flattening the chicken. By removing the backbone, it cooks faster and, more importantly, the skin gets crispy everywhere. Just a quick snip, flip it over, and give it a firm press until it's flat. Forget everything you know about boring roast chicken. Today, I'm showing you how to get the ultimate crunch and the juiciest meat using the Spatchcock method. It's easy, it's fast, and it's a total game changer. Let's get cooking. Now for the flavor. In our roasting pan, we combine olive oil with my favorite herb blend. Lots of oregano and paprika for that smoky color. Mix it well until you have a rich, aromatic paste. Into a hot oven it goes. While that's roasting, let's make a quick side. A fresh salad with salty feta is the perfect contrast. Cube your feta, toss it with mixed greens, a splash of oil, and more oregano. Simple but effective. Look at that. That skin is golden brown and perfectly shattered crisp. The meat is incredibly succulent. And these potatoes, they're basically flavor bombs. Combine that with the fresh feta salad and you have the perfect meal. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.